Using a colored pencil, from the adjusted bust measurement, we will square down. Then, we will get the dart level. For an extra small figure, we will go down 2 1/4 inches or 6 centimeters. We mark this. This will be the start of our dart points. From here, we will go down 1 inch or 2.6 centimeters. Then we will get the center, which is 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We mark all these points. To get the tip of the bust, we lay the tip of the tape measure on the center of our shoulder line, and we run the tape measure on a diagonal manner until the tip of the bust measurement, which is 8 inches or 20.5 centimeters for an extra small figure. We mark this. Then, with a colored pencil, we will square this outwards. We get the tip of the bust level so that we can determine the level of the distance of the bust. For an extra small figure, the distance of the bust measurement is 6 inches or 15 centimeters. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center front on the tip of the bust level, and we mark 1/2 of the distance of the bust. We will intersect these points because this will be the start of our dart point. But we are drafting a fitted dress, so we will be moving this 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters outwards. We will cross this out. This way, our dress will have a more professional finish, because the tip of the bust dart will not fall exactly on the tip of the bust. So now we will connect all these points with straight lines. Now I will be folding the last dart line. And I will be laying this on the first dart line. As you can see, I control this point with my left index finger so that our line will not extend over this point. Then I will lift our pattern paper this way. The front figure measurement for an extra small figure is 14.5 inches or 37 centimeters. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center of our shoulder line, over the bust, and down to the front figure measurement, which is 14.5 or 37 centimeters. We mark this. Then we will square this outwards. We get the front figure level so that we can determine where our waistline level will fall. For an extra small figure, the waist measurement is 24 inches or 61 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the waist measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center front on the waistline level until 1/4 of the waist measurement. We mark this. Then, we will add 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter waistline easing. For a fitted dress, we may not have to add. If you choose not to add the waistline easing, it is alright. But for this pattern, we are adding a waistline easing of 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. Now, we also have to make an adjustment on the waistline on the center front area. So from the waistline, for an extra small figure, we will go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. We will be presuming that this figure, the person has a flat stomach. If the person has a very round stomach, we have to go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. Now we will connect these 2 points with a slight curve line. We will be using this side of our curve ruler. Okay. To complete the pattern, we will also be connecting these 2 points to form our side seam. We will use this side of our curve ruler. Okay, now we have completed the pattern of our front bodice. Before cutting the final pattern, it is best to make sure that all our measurements are correct. So I will mark this extra small so that this area of our armhole curve will be more flat. I will be creating a hidden dart here. So I will be putting a 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 dart allowance here. Then I will draw 2 vanishing lines to create our hidden dart. Now I will close this permanently, as this is a hidden dart. Then I will just reshape this area of the armhole. Now I am cutting the final outline of our front bodice pattern for an extra small figure. It is best to keep the darts closed when cutting the pattern. As you remember, this is the adjusted neckline curve. So this is where I will be cutting the neckline curve. This now is the final pattern of the basic dress for an extra small figure.